welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So today I am super excited because I'm going to be doing a palette bingo with a Coca-Cola eyeshadow palette. This one right here. This is the newest palette that I have right now, and I'm super excited and I'm obsessed because I love Coca-Cola. If you guys haven't seen my unboxing video, I will link it up here, and if you also want to see the video of my first impression on this palette, I will put it up here. So yeah, so anyways, if you haven't seen what this palette looks like, this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. It does have a lot of neutral shades, but it's okay, I guess. I mean, I wish they would have added a green and a black and I don't know, just other more colorful shades, because I don't know, I feel like they added too many browns. So anyways, I'm going to be getting my random number generator, and I'm going to put 1 through 18 because the palette has 18 shades. So I'm going to be getting 5 shades out of here, and hopefully it's shades that I could put together and create a nice look. So here we go. 16, 17, 5. I'm going to write it down so I don't forget. Okay, I'm going to get 2 more numbers. 7 and 14. Hopefully it's not all browns. That would suck. Okay, let's see. Okay, so 16 is this one right here. We got 17 as well. And we got 5. Oh my gosh. It's another brown, but it's a shimmer. Okay, 7 is this one right here, which is like a shimmery brown. I don't know. It's a shimmer. Okay, and 14 is this one right here. It's like a gray metallic. Oh my gosh, this is going to be like the most neutral look ever. So these are the shadows that I have to work with today. I got, let's see, 3 shimmers and 2 mattes. Unbelievable. I was hoping to get at least a red or something, or at least a shimmery blue or something. I don't know. So before I begin, I am going to be priming my eyes with a NYX pigment primer, and I will be doing this off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already primed my eyes and I did set it with a white shadow, so I'm kind of ready to begin. I'm going to put you guys a little bit closer. Oh, and I am wearing another Coca-Cola shirt. Ta-da! This is the one that my mom gave me last year for Christmas, December of 2019. Okay, so I didn't wash all of my brushes, so we're just going to have to work with what I have. So I'm going to begin with shade number 16, which is this one, and this one is called All the Feels, and I'm going to put it all over my crease. Okay, so this brown is really pigmented. Okay, so now I'm going into this shade right here, which is number 17, and it's this like reddish brownish shade, and it's called Energetic, and I'm going to put that on my outer V. Okay, I'm going to be using a different brush for my lower lash line because I feel like it's getting too thick. Okay, now I'm going to blend out the edges with this brush by Luxie. It is a mini tapered brush. Okay, so now I'm going to apply glitter primer. This is going to be the most neutral look ever, you guys. I'm going to start off with this shade right here. It's shade number 5. So 5 is this one right here. And this one is called Awaken. And then I'm going with this shade, which is called Can Do. And then I'm just gonna go back and forth from that orangey shimmer, brown shimmer, and the gray until they mix together. And then I'm just going back with that brush that I used, the brown, with no extra product, just to blend out that silver metallic gray. Okay, now for the last touch, I'm going to be adding Open Up, this one right here, in my inner corner, which is this shade right here. Okay, so this look is not my favorite, you guys. It's too neutral. I just wish it had more color. Anyways, I'm going to be applying eyeliner and mascara off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I am back. I already applied eyeliner and mascara. For my top liner, I used the Hank & Henry Blickety Black Liner, this one right here. For my waterline, I used the Shockwave Neon Lip Liner. And I know it's a lip liner, but I used it for eyes. And this one is in the shade Fiery, or Fiery, this one right here. I was actually trying to use a red eyeliner, but I didn't have it, so this was like the closest one to red. It's like a hot pink or something like that. I don't know. I don't know if you guys can see it. And I think it looks really nice with this look. It gives that pop of color, like if I'm alive or something. And for mascara, I use a Superhero mascara. And well, this is the final look. I'm not a big fan of it because it's too neutral for me. But I mean, I didn't expect to get more colorful looks because this palette is, well, pretty much very neutral. But I'm glad that I got different shades from what I actually used the first day that I got this palette, because that way I could try out the other shades, and now I know that they work really good and they're really pigmented and they're easy to blend. They're not patchy, they don't have fallout, and I really like it. So yeah, anyways, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this palette bingo. Do you guys like neutral looks or do you guys like colorful looks? Let me know in the comments below. And I know I didn't really blend out perfectly, but I tried my best. And most of my brushes were dirty, so it was kind of hard to blend with what I had. So yeah. So anyways, let me know in the comments below if you guys have this palette. Do you guys want to get it? And I know it's already out of stock on the Morphe website, but I know they're going to have them on sale in the Ulta website on the 28th of June. So let me know if you guys are going to get it. So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this palette bingo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.